Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. Check it out. It is an origami house, and it's buried in snow. See? So the roof is showing, and the other half of it is buried in snow. See? And yeah. And I'm teaching this right now because it's snowing outside, as you just saw in the intro. And yeah. So I'm going to use a sheet of 6-inch kami. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. So the house will be blue. Okay, now unfold, and now fold both sides to the middle. Okay, and now we're going to fold these edges to the middle, so we're airplane folding. Okay, and now fold this up right over the edge. Just like that. So here is our roof right here. And now let's make the snow. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to here. And zoom in. And repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Okay, and now turn over and fold this up so that the fold we're making aligns with this edge. Okay, and now take this crease, make it, and fold it to this edge. So we make a new fold in between here. Like this, and turn over, and crease sharply. Alright, so now fold these 2 points behind, so fold it up, making the fold align with this edge. Like this, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now what we're going to do is, to keep this locked, turn over and just fold this edge up just a tiny bit. So just about like that, so maybe a couple millimeters is good, like 2 or 3 millimeters. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now we're pretty much done, but if you want to make the snow have these curves, these 2 curved folds on it, to make it look more like snow, then all you do is you just take this raw edge and just make a curved fold from this point to this point. So just a really narrow curved fold. Like this, to taste. Maybe you don't have to go all the way to this point if you don't want to. But yeah, just about like that is good. And same on this side. Make a curved fold to taste. See? Just like that. And now, see, I kind of like this better because it looks more like snow that gets piled up. So yeah, here it is, the house buried in snow. And alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, bye bye.